Are you tired to see limit reached, token expire, usage adjusted while using AI coding tools? Then this video is for you, trust me. After watching this video, you have never faced this problem. I'll show you how to use everything directly inside VS Code and OpenCode for smooth AI coding experience, totally free and unlimited. Then, without wasting time, let's get started. First, open your editor. It's maybe Visual Studio Code or it's maybe Anti-Gravity. Between these two, use any one that you are comfortable to use. There are two ways to use it. First will be in terminal and second using extension. If you are comfortable to use in terminal, then go with terminal. Some of the student or some of the developer are not familiar with terminal where mouse is not working there. You only need to work with the keyboards. That's why I also show you how you can use extension and use a lots of free model, totally free and unlimited. If you have used among 3 to 4 model between them, then you have never hit your limit. I'll guarantee it. Then first go to the OpenCode.ai. Inside the Visual Studio Code, we will use OpenCode extension, or in terminal from the OpenCode we will implement it. You only need 3 API key. First you need to install OpenCode in your system. If you want to use inside the terminal, then check if OpenCode is installed or not. If version will be appear here, then that means OpenCode is installed in your system. After that, go to the OpenCode Gen and get started with Gen. If you are using it for the first time, then you need to create the account. If you have already created account, then you didn't need to do anything. Here are the some models that will be available inside the OpenCode, just like Mimo, Nematron, DeepSeek and many more. I didn't want to waste time here for adding API key, and I'll show you how many model will be available here. First, create the API key and copy it. I have already created API key. I'll use it. Then first I'll show you using extension. Search for OpenCode. This official OpenCode extension will be reflected here. Install it. It will just take 2-3 seconds to install. After it will install, it will be reflected here. Then you are ready to use. Remove this. Close this terminal if you didn't want to use inside the terminal, and remove extension. Allow it. To make you the better feelings, I will open one folder here. I'll open this vibe coding project that I have completed in my previous video. If you want to use it, then watch my previous video. In this video I have shown you how you can do vibe code using in free tools. After you have clicked it, OpenCode will be available here. I have already used and installed it. That's why some model will be reflected here. If this is your first time, then don't worry, I'll show you each and everything. / and connect. Then OpenCode Gen will be reflected here. If not, select it and provide the API key that you have created inside the OpenCode Gen and paste it here. After you have add the API key, then you can see the model that will be provided by OpenCode Gen. This is the model that will be provided by OpenCode, and I'll show you how much free model are there. In OpenCode, there are 4 models freely available inside the OpenCode Gen. Mimo B 2.5 will be freely available. North Mini Code free will be available. Nematron 3 Ultra will be freely available. DeepSeek B4 will be freely available. This is the model that will be freely available inside the OpenCode Gen. Remaining are available inside the OpenCode. This is the first way that you can use. After you have add OpenCode, then you can see this 4 model. Next will be the OpenRouter, and keep in mind I'll show you all the official model and popular model. Second will be the OpenRouter. You have already know about OpenRouter. Go to your favorite browser, then click the OpenRouter.ai. If you are using it for the first time, then create your account, then generate the API key. If you are using it for the first time, go to the profile section and click on the profile. Then API key will be reflected here. From here you can easily create the API key, give any name and select the expiration date. And after creating the API key, you are not able to see it. Then copy it and store on somewhere. I will show you my credit. I have not even activate my credit card and I have not top up anything. My credit is totally 0. After you have created the OpenRouter API key, again / and connect. This time select the OpenRouter. Then OpenRouter will be reflected here. Provide the API key that you have created from the OpenRouter officially dashboard. Then you are ready to use all the model that will be provided by OpenRouter. / model. If you can type free here, then you can see how much model will be available for free. Then do you think you can reach the limit? This is the free model that will be available. Nearly 20 to 30 model are available. We have already implemented OpenCode Gen, OpenRouter then, and if you still reach the limit, then I'll show you another method. Groq, search for Groq. Groq, not Grok. Groq, Groq. Click it here, create account, start building, continue with Google. Now, after creating account, you are ready to use it. You can see this is the model that you can use. These all are not free. Some of them are free. Click on API key, create API key, give name, free, select the expiration date. I'll select it for 7 days. Submit, use your own API key and didn't share your API key with anyone. I'll delete my API key before publishing this video. I'll copy it and again click connect, type Groq, 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 then it will be reflected here. Then provide the API key that we have created from the Groq account and enter. Now available to use all the free model that will be provided by Groq. And I'll show you how much model that Groq provide freely. Models and type free. Some model are provided by OpenCode Gen, some model are provided by OpenRouter, and these all are the Groq model that will be provided. Let's try, is it working or not? I'll try to use GPT model in medium high. You can see how much model that I have used. I have used DeepSeek, I have used Nematron, I have used Mimo, and you can also see the response time. If you feel this is the free model, it will take too much time and its response time is too much slow, then you didn't worry about it. It responds too much fast. And model free, if you can check, this is the list of free model that will be available in OpenCode. You can use all the model that will be freely available, and there will be in next to impossible to reach the limit. If you can reach limit in OpenCode, switch to the OpenRouter. If you reach limit in OpenRouter, then switch to the Groq. If you randomize between these three, it will be next to impossible to reach and expire your token. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video, and watch my previous video that I have already demonstrated using free model. Completely build the one and project. Happy coding.